Hello, good day. My name is John Samuel. Here I'll be showing you how to set up aggregate event conversion, so you don't have to wait for 72 hours before you be able to run your purchase event ad. You understand? So in doing this, first of all, what you need to do is you need to have verified your domain. You understand? You need to get your domain verified on the business manager you'll be using. So let's say this is our account. Here is the personal account section. We're not using the personal account section, so look for let's use this. Let's duplicate this page so we'll make things easy. Yeah, okay, here we are. Our ads manager page has load finish. Don't mind my English, please. Okay, this is it. So you need to go to business settings. So you can easily go to business settings from here. You can also choose to do same here, but let's leave here so we'll be able to test to see if our purchase event has come up. Okay, here the things we'll be doing here is this. The first thing you need to do to get your purchase event up is this: you need to verify your domain on your business manager. Your domain needs to be verified on your business manager first of all. Then after verifying your domain, you have to create a pixel. Okay, here we are. This is our business setting page, and this is the business manager we'll be using. On this account I have two business manager, but I'm making use of Peter Store instead of TechSub, so I'll registering my domain under Peter Store. So first of all, if you want to register your domain, you come to brand safety, you click on domains. Okay, you see we don't have any domains installed yet on this account, so we'll click on add. Okay, this is my domain, this is my WordPress dashboard. So I will just simply copy this URL here, then I'll come here, I'll paste it. Okay, okay, this is our domain website, so we're going to click on add. So you can see here it is saying not verified. So for you to be able to verify this, you will simply come here, you copy this code, you make sure you copy it complete. Okay, then you come to your website, you come to settings, don't click on it, just move your mouse to settings, then on the other hand you click on insert header and footer. Okay, let's come here. One is already pasted here, but you can delete it, then paste yours, then you click on save. Once it is saved, you see it setting save. You come back to your business settings here, you click on, it's not by force to click here, but I just enjoy the fact of clicking on it. So you come here now, click on verify. you can see elitefitness.com.ng is verified. So we have finished one phase of the we have finished one phase. So what we need to do now is create our pixel. So click on done. For you to create your pixel, you come to data source. Okay, under data source you can be able to create your custom conversion and pixel, but what you need to do now is to create our pixel. So let's create our pixel. Peter store doesn't have any pixels yet. Manage your pixel, so let's create one. We'll use our website name. So click on continue. Okay, set up pixel now. Manually add pixel code to website. Okay, you just click on this to copy it automatically. So sorry, I was supposed to use this again. Okay, you copy this, you go to your insert header and footer, still do same thing, then you save. Okay, you can see a setting save, so you come here, come to same place to test if your pixel is installed correctly. If it shows green, if it shows active, it means we have installed our pixel successfully. So let's wait and see. Okay, nothing yet. So yeah, okay, we are done. You can see our pixel is active. Our pixel is already active, so we can just click on continue. Use Facebook's event setup tool. Okay, you can see here to show you are connected to this URL. So I think that's all for the pixel. We can cancel it, but it's not here showing active, so you will refresh. Okay, so our pixel is active. We'll go over to event manager. We'll open our pixel in event manager. Okay, this is our pixel. Since we just installed our pixel, there are no there are no events recorded. Okay, this is our pixel. Okay, it has started recording some events. As you can see here, purchase is already active, waiting for first event. So what we need to do is we need to test events. Okay, you can see our pixel is receiving activities. So okay, after this, since you're already sure your pixel is working correctly, what you need to do is create a custom conversion. And in creating your custom conversion, you just come here, click here, and here you are, custom conversions. You click on custom conversions. Okay, you click on create custom conversions. Okay, in creating your custom conversion, please make sure you use a name you'll be able to remember, because you need it while setting up the aggregate. So let's just say I'll use purchase, my purchase test, purchase test. Okay, this is the pixel I'm setting it on. You see, other pixels are not active or are not working, so we are using Peter store pixel. Please make sure you check this correctly. You just include our website here. So click on create. Okay, sorry, I forgot one part, sorry. So after doing all this, choose a standard event for optimization. You can see Facebook's selected category we use. So you come here, you click select your own category. You understand? So you click here on this drop down button. So what you will be selecting here is purchase. Select purchase, then you click on create. Okay, so we have set it up. So you can either choose to finish up from here, or you can choose to configure it. But let's just say we are done. This is everything we need here. So it is inactive for now. Okay, you can see already our custom events, our custom conversion is already, it's showing active already. So I know you might want to ask, what did I do to make it show like this? Because I had to like pause this video, I was having network issues. So you see here, while creating this custom conversion, we were asked to input a URL. So this is the URL I used. So after doing that, after creating your custom conversion, and yours is not showing, active, what you need to do is open this link on another tab, then come here, then refresh your screen. It will show active. So we are done creating our custom conversion, which is purchase. So what we need to do now is go to our aggregate event measurements. Usually you have to wait 72 hours for you to be able to you need to wait 72 hours for you to be able to run a purchase optimization ad. But now you don't need to wait that long. You understand? Just follow this process. Okay, here already on our pixel, this is the pixel we're using. You can see page view, purchase test. This is the custom conversion we we created. So after doing this, what you need to do is you come here to overview. Once you are here, you click on aggregate event measurements, then you configure web events. Okay, this is our domain. At least one event must be configured on a domain to run ads, add up to 8 events. So we'll click here, we'll click on manage events, edit. Okay, now this is it. So event slot filled out, we have filled out 0 out of 8, so you can just click on add events, click on it again. So here you can see this is our highest priority, this is our lowest priority. So in this highest priority place, this place here, you'll be choosing conversion. So let's start. So the mistake most of us have made before, is choosing the pixel that was attached to the business manager when we were creating the business manager. No, the pixel you have to use is the pixel you created yourself. So this is how you do it. Okay, here you see these are the pixel we have. So let's come here, let's come to business settings. This is our pixel, Peter store pixel, ending with 4672. So we'll come here again to our events manager. This is Peter's store pixel. This is the pixel we'll be using. You can see it's ending with 4672. 4672. So we are going to click on it. That's the pixel we'll be using. So the highest priority, what you need the most, since let's say you are running an you're running an ad to sell a product, the optimization events you need mostly is purchase. So that's your highest priority. So you click here. So you locate your purchase on this list. So okay, this is purchase here. You click on it. Okay, on this other side, you still be using same Peter store pixel ending with 4672. So let's click on it. So okay, the lowest priority is content view. So content view is this is our content view here. So click on it. So after doing that, that's not all. This is where we make mistakes, and if this is how you do yours, you'll be asked to wait for 72 hours. And most times, even after you've waited for 72 hours, you won't be able to get the purchase optimization on your ad account. So what you do necessarily is this: you don't submit now, you still click on this add events. So on this here now, we're making use of our custom conversion. You see, choose a pixel or custom conversion. You understand? So here you click on it, the pixel we created, this is our pixel. So we'll come to custom conversion. So we'll choose an event. We already created a custom conversion. Look at it here. So you can see purchase text. That's the custom conversion we created. So you click on it, you come here again, click on same custom conversion, same purchase text here. Okay, so we'll use something else. Sorry, okay, I made a mistake here. So I am not allowed to use both. I'm not allowed to use both. I was supposed to create two custom conversions. I was supposed to create two custom conversion events. So what I'll do is this: I'll go back to create another one. You understand? So I'm supposed to have two options here, but here I have only just one. So I'll be going I'll be going back to create another custom conversion. So let's do it here. So I'll click on it here. So here we are. So since we are having just one purchase custom conversion event, so what we need to do is create another. So we'll click on this add button. We'll click on create a new custom conversion. Okay, we are still creating it under Peter Store Pixel. So what we name our conversion is this. Let's say the other one is purchase test. Let's say purchase purchase. Let's say purchase events. You can use purchase events. It's just a name you'll be able to remember. So here again, you are going to add your website URL. So let's include that. We have it there already. So let's not forget this button here. Okay, here we are. Select your own category. So here you can choose whatever you want. You understand? You can still choose purchase, and you can still choose content view, but let's use content view since we already used purchase on the other conversion, on the other custom conversion. Or let's just use purchase. We can still choose to use purchase, whichever one you want to choose, whichever one is of big priority to you. So this is purchase here. Okay, here again, you come here, you paste your website here. So you click on create. Okay, this is okay. This custom conversion already exists as okay. So what we need to do is change it to content view instead of purchase. So okay, we'll use content view since we have already created a custom conversion for purchase. So we'll use content view. So create. Okay, so you can see after changing it, we are still able to create a purchase. So you can see you've created a custom conversion purchase new. We have purchase text. Here is purchase text, and here is purchase new. So we'll click on done. Okay, let's reload this page. Okay, so here we are. We have purchase new, we have purchase text. So let's go back to our event manager so we can be able to create. Let's reload this page. Okay, here it has not, the new custom conversion we created has not reflected. So let's wait for the page to refresh again. Okay, so here we are. We'll be starting all over. The reason why we had to go back was because we created just one custom conversion. We were supposed to create two custom conversions. So let's start all over again. So I'll click on add events and also add events again. So okay, now let me explain again. The reason why after going through the aggregate event measurement, the reason why after doing that they ask you to wait for 72 hours is because you only used two events. You're not supposed to do that, so this is what you're to do. And again, another mistake you are not supposed to make is this: don't make use of a pixel that's not working. So this is the pixel that's working. This pixel is active and it is working fine, so we're using this pixel. Note, if you are using the wrong pixel, you'll be prompted to wait for 3 days. That's 72 hours. So please make sure you are using the right pixel. Make sure you're using the pixel you created yourself, because each business manager you create comes with its own pixel. So let's make sure you're using the pixel you created yourself. This is the pixel I created myself. So if you forget, you can name it. You can see this is testing pixel. This one is not active. But this is one I'm using. Okay, it ends with 4672. So this is the pixel I'm using. The highest priority, what I'm aiming for, is on purchase conversion. So that's your highest priority. So what you do is you look for purchase. Okay, here it is. So we'll click on purchase. Okay, here same thing again. We are using same pixel. So also we have here, you will be using the lowest priority is content view, so we'll use content view. Okay, now this is where most of us make mistake. After doing this, you don't go ahead to submit the form. After doing this, you still have to add two other events. So you click on this twice. Okay, this time around you are not using a pixel. As you can see here, it's Peter store pixel, Peter store pixel. Here you're not using a pixel. Here you're using a custom conversion. So this is how you're going to do it. First of all, you click on it, you click on custom conversion. Okay, we created a custom conversion for purchase and content view. So this is the first one we created. This one bearing purchase test is the one we did for purchase objective. This one bearing purchase news is the one we did for content view. So we'll be choosing purchase test. Okay, and here also you choose custom conversions. You choose. Okay, the mistake I made before was also coming back here to choose test, and doing that it would not work. You understand? So I had to go back. Before, I was having just one here, this one was not here, so I had to go back to create it. So you are not to use this one again, you use this one below it. So after doing that, you submit. After doing that, you are free to submit. Okay, you can see. After doing this, please, you need to take note of something. Highest priority, purchase and view content. This is it. 4672, 4672. Make sure these two tallies. Even if these two does not tallies together, it's no big issue, but make sure these two tallies, please. So once it's you have confirmed that the two of them correspond, you click on yes. You click on yes, then you click on apply. Click on apply. So you see you successfully changed event configurations. Events configuration changes will be applied to elitefitness.com.ng. You must wait 72 hours to make another change to this configuration. You understand? They say you must wait 72 hours to make another change to this configuration, but no, you mustn't wait that long. You will be able to wait for 70, they will ask you to wait for 72 hours if you did not do it well. But if you do it well, you can still go back to edit it. You see, okay, this our manage events button is active, it's still active. But if you are to wait for 72 hours, this button here won't be active. So we are done here. So let's go back to our ads manager. Let's check to see if if purchase will come up. Okay, we are done here. So let's go to our ads manager to see if it is active. So let's try to create any kind of ad. So you click on create. Okay, so here we are going to here we are going to test to see if what we did is working. So we come to create. So okay, here this is our click on conversions. We click on continue. Okay, we won't be running any important ad here. We'll just be going to the we'll just be going straight to the point to see if what we did is actually working. Okay, so okay, this is it. So we'll go to new ad set. I was supposed to click a button from here, but the app I'm using to record is blocking it. So okay, this is it. So after creating everything, you just come down to this place and check to see. You can see it's still showing landing page view. So you just come here to check to see if everything you did is working. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. I was supposed to, okay, this is not supposed to be showing. Peter's store event is what is supposed to be showing here. So right now we cannot still be able to run purchase ad, but what I need to do is assign that pixel to this ad account. I will have to assign the pixel to this ad account. So I will delete everything here. I'll delete everything here. I'll delete everything here. Then I'll go back to my business settings. Then I'll go back to my business settings. Then I'll come here to my data source. This is my pixels. Okay, so what I'll do here is this. I'll come to add assets. So what I'll be adding is the ad account under this business manager. What I'll be adding is the ad account under this business manager. So you can see this is our ads manager. You can see text of this is the name of our ad account. So here I'll be assigning this ad account to this Peter Stores pixel. So I'm going to add this. Okay, it is done. So what I'll do here, I'll come back to my ads manager. I'll refresh. So now we can check to see if our purchase event is live. Okay, so now we are going to test it again to see if everything is active.